Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome aluminum alloy 3-in-1 wireless charging station from a company called OK Flyman. This is an awesome product. It is, as you can see, just beautiful, really elegant. Definitely the classiest looking charging station I think I have ever seen, and it works great. You have places to charge all your Apple devices as well as some non-Apple devices. Let's start with the MagSafe Charging right here. Yes, it is fully MagSafe compatible to charge any of your MagSafe compatible iPhones as long as they have a MagSafe case on them, or without a case you throw it on there and it sticks to it right away. You can do it in vertical or horizontal, and you see you even get that MagSafe symbol because it is fully compatible with MagSafe Charging, so you know you're going to be getting the fastest wireless charging, which is awesome. Then down here you've got a standard wireless key charging pad to charge any earbuds that are compatible with wireless key charging, and that includes AirPods. So you can put your AirPods on there and you can get them charged, or Samsung Galaxy Buds or any other earbuds. Then on the back here you have an Apple Watch specific wireless charger, and of course Apple Watch is proprietary, so this will only work with the Apple Watch, but it works great, and it's just the way it's designed. It's so cool. I mean, sitting on your desk at work or sitting by your bedside, it just outshines all the other 3-in-1 chargers or any chargers that I've seen in terms of just how classy it looks with this aluminum alloy finish. Throw your watch on there, it's going to be charging, and just great. They also include the charging cord, a really nice length charging cord, as well as a quick charge 3.0 charger, which you have to have in order to get the fastest wireless charging. They do include that, so you get everything you need in the box with this, and it's just great. You got that nice sort of piano gloss black finish on the MagSafe charger and the charging pad on the bottom, and then on the Apple Watch charging section it's like a matte black finish. And then you have a tiny little LED here, very tiny, so it will not disturb you, but just indicates that things are getting charged. Turns green when you've got something on the pad there charging. So a really excellent product. If you're looking for a wireless charger for your devices, especially if you have more than one, Apple Watch, iPhone, AirPods, and you want to be able to charge them all, then look no further. This not only is one of the best in terms of the fact that it just works great, but also look at it. You're not going to find a better looking 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger for your Apple devices. So this is an excellent product, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.